Alright, expressing this, we are going to have first of all, we are multiplying this with this, then we are going to add the one on top. Alright, so we are going to have 4 times 2 plus 1 all over 4, which should give us 8 plus 1 all over 4 equals to 9 over 4. Same thing with this one, we are going to have 5 times 6 plus 2, which will give us 30 plus 2, which will give us 32 over 5. Same thing with this one, multiplying this, 7 times 4 plus 2 all over 7, which will give us 28 plus 2 over 7 equals to 30 over 7.